Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I've been sitting on this package for a while. Really haven't had any time to open it, but tonight I will find the time to open it and I will share that with all of you.
You lie!
So I did order something from Amazon. I only order things from Amazon when I can't find them in any other location, whether it's on the shelf, which would be my preferred area or location of finding toys, or eBay, or even Mercari. Amazon is the last resort. So let's open this up and see what's in there. I only see Amazon being the last resort because I think eBay and Mercari, you have more control as an individual seller. Even though I think this might be from an individual seller, although they have their own store name. But yeah, I picked this up. As you all know, I am a big Power Rangers fan, and the prices of the Pink Ranger are ridiculous for the Hasbro figures. I don't know why they're so ridiculous, so I decided to pick up the Yellow Ranger and stopped putting it off. And so I finally picked up Trini from the Power Rangers Lightning collection that Hasbro has been dropping for the last few years. It's very difficult to find the Pink Ranger that's not, it's very difficult to find the Pink Ranger and not pay like $150 for her, just because they were short shipped and now they're rare. I've never had a chance to see the Pink Ranger on the shelf. I've never seen her on the shelf, so I decided to pick this up. This looks amazing. Window box in the front, and Trini. Let's see. Trini does look pretty good. Pretty close from looking at the box. But we're going to take Trini out of the box. Got a nice toy photography shot on the back. But let's open this box up and see what the Yellow Ranger can do. Here's a nice trace shot of the Yellow Ranger and all of her accessories. Really cool. I like that they include these power bursts or effects. I think they're really cool. Here's the back image. If you heard that noise, that background noise, I have the window open while I'm filming this. Yeah, really cool. Let's take Trini out and see what she could do. Here's a shot of the Yellow Ranger with all of the accessories taken out of the tray. You get 2 extra hands or alternate hands, one being a chopping hand or a hand that the Power Rangers would use when they would pose. You get another hand for the pistol or the blaster that Trini has. You have the signature daggers, I would say. I think that's what they're called in the show, the daggers. I wanted to say size, but these aren't really size. I think they were called power daggers. Then you have an alternate head. Without the helmet, Trini's human face. And I think they did a pretty good job with the sculpt and the likeness of Trini. I think that's a good job. You get these two power effects for the blaster, I believe. I wonder if there's a slot on the blaster. Put that on. If not, that's okay too. That's totally okay. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see. Maybe not. But that's okay. These are cool regardless that they included them. Let's take a look at the figure. And while we do that, let's complete the figure. Let's put the blaster in the holster and give it that complete look. Wow. The more that I look at this, the more I am very satisfied and happy that I ordered this particular figure. So the Yellow Ranger is one of my favorite Rangers on the first generation. I always thought that the Yellow Ranger was one of the best fighters out of all the Rangers. Of course, the Green Ranger / White Ranger being the best fighter. The Red Ranger being close to that as well. But I always thought that the Yellow Ranger had some of the best fight scenes against some of the monsters that Rita and Zed would drop. You get the signature for the Power Ranger line, the signature ball joints. Although these joints are super small, especially for the female characters on the arms. The arms just seem very small. I know they were aiming for accuracy, but they just seem very small and flimsy. The left shoulder on this one's kind of loose already. I know it's a ratchet joint, but it's kind of loose already. The right arm also. The head is kind of stiff, but that's okay. I like it. I like my figures to be a little stiff before, when I'm just opening them. And then the ab crunch. Ab crunch is pretty good. Do you get a hip swivel? No hip swivel, but you do get like a double ab crunch because there's another part right there where you could crunch the abs / belly. You get a ball joints with the waist to thigh area. You get a thigh swivel, double jointed knees. Let's see how far back this could go. That's pretty good. That's good. Yeah, I like that. And the joints are ratchet joints, so you'll feel the joints as you articulate it. There's certain points where it stops, like there. So there's multiple locking points, which is what I mean by the ratchet joint. And then you get a swivel on, not a swivel, but a ball of joints on the ankle. Limited range of movement. Okay, as I say that, limited, but you know, like the most being like 360, right? But you can't quite achieve that, but you could achieve a good calf raise or plie, if you like ballet terms. But all in all, I think this figure is awesome, especially when you holster the blaster. And then once I equip the daggers, which I think what these hands are for, the plastic on the daggers is pretty soft, so it is you will have to install the daggers with some care for sure. But it looks good. I think overall, this figure looks really good, especially when you have all of them lined up. I don't think I will install the Trini head anytime soon. But I think just having that option is also really good as well. So all in all, I give this figure 2 thumbs up. And I think you should all jump on picking up some Yellow Rangers before this also becomes rare and you're gonna have to pay a mother load for the Yellow Ranger, just like the Pink Ranger. So definitely pick one up. I picked one up at Amazon. If you're trying to complete the Mighty Morphin Power Ranger roster, I would say just jump on that right away, and try to find some Pink Rangers. But anyways, this was my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. Thanks all for watching. Take care.